enjoy me starting this one outside because guess what? I overfucked inside. So my class actually just started right now. So, which we're just still in the street. Like, what the fuck, man? Why can't I do this? Oh, fuck. I think at the worst I'm gonna be 30 minutes late. If there's a bus there, I'm probably just gonna end up grabbing it. I hate. Plus, you're seeing this on the first day, so. I get. I'm gonna. The one I've got there just has to do it today and tomorrow, so. I just remember this has been filmed on Wednesday. Ugh, there's no work later anyway. I'm in this quick because I can walk class. So, you know, like. So, another one of these 2 clip vlogs, which is really a shame. When I think about it, there you go, for this bloody bed and what See, it is kind of a shame, a few ways. Because I did actually do things today. So, yeah, I was in college till like 10 past 3. Then I hung out with David till like, when I got home, like, what, 10 o'clock? And that really should have been my cue given how busy I am tomorrow to try and, get some sleep early, and I just didn't. Which, trust me, I'm probably going to more than regret that in the morning. My phone's got like 20% battery in it right now, so I think this clip's length will be mostly determined by the resolve of the battery. Not battery, its ability to want to stay, above 15%. This isn't a long vlog. Again, I'm referring to this as if you guys have seen the other channel. You may have came from there, I don't know. I have absolutely no clue. But basically, it's like sometimes we have these really long ones, sometimes we have like ones that are irresponsibly short, and sometimes it just cannot be helped. Like, I'll forget to do vlogs. Or forget updates. I'm a human being. Sometimes I want to live in the moment, I don't always record everything. Been watching some Top Gear here, just for some entertainment. But yeah, we get paid tomorrow on Thursday. Since it's got over Thursday, and it's currently 44 minutes past midnight. We get paid in less than just under 24 hours. Here we go, UCSB ring. I tell you, and this would be a shame if this ended up happening, right? What if, right, so this time, in less than 24 hours, I've just been paid, mega paid, because I've already been able to go and see my e-pay slips. It's like a digital, if you don't know, it's basically a digital online pay slip that I can look at before, a few days before. That's it. It would be a shame if someone else had went in and sniped it. There was only 2 sealed B-wings on there. One of them 600, but I'm not doing that. I'm not feeling comfortable around the 600, so it's one of those things like I kind of need to buy it now. Get it in the condition that I want it in, not to mention just take advantage of, hey, it says, this is a set that unless Lego decides to go, oh hey, let's remake that Ultimate Collector Series B-Wing that we've not done since 2012, then it's not really going to come back, and this set's going to continue to climb in value. It's one of those things of but anyway, you're probably wondering about this morning, the whole thing there. I got up and then I fell back asleep, which I hate. absolutely detest doing it. I've done it so many fucking times recently. Sometimes I'm up and ready completely. I'll lie down on my bed, I'll sit down, and I'll get really fucking comfortable. You know, properly comfortable. And then I fall asleep. It's an absolute confusing that a minute. Before I put it in the glass there. And then I'll get really comfortable and I'm just like pain in the fucking ass. Nearly screwed myself over completely a few times with that, so yeah. Not great. Obviously tomorrow I work in college vlogs, I don't expect too much from that one either. Again, there'll be a lot of work, kind of college ones happening, you know, over the next little while. I can't really guarantee, you know, too many other ones, but hey, that's just life. I'm a busy person. I'll admit it has felt weird not filming any YouTube videos that much recently. I have done my 3 out of my 4 army videos, but because I don't film them on the day they've been uploaded, like they've been premiering on the correct day, but filmed a few days before, it's gonna feel weird. The next one that I need to do, and it's the final one, is the Rebel Army, which, piece of cake to be honest with you, because I'm trying quality or trying to actually have this Rebels. I have the Hoff stuff, which is a chunk of it. Oh, you see that bit there? I'm not going to include these snow walls because that's Imperial. So like the snow speeders and like the front doors. I've got... Technically I've got this Falcon, but it's falling apart. I'm not using it. I need to sit and actually fix it. Even though I'm going to be selling it at some point. I have... So that's the whole stuff. And there's the chargeable battery. I was looking for that. Nothing Rebel lights up there. No. We have the 2012 X-Wing. This mini set. We've got the 2009 Home 1. So my Rebel Army's not that bad. I used to have another X-Wing like the 2006 one lying around. No. So I ended up selling that in a bit lot. But anyway guys, I'm going straight this week, try and get as much sleep as possible for tomorrow. See you in tomorrow's vlog, which will probably be shorter than this. Just kidding.